How to delete Gmail password on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to delete your Gmail password on your iPhone, then the iPhone automatically saves password in the password app, which is the inbuilt app of iPhone. So if you have saved your passwords in the password app, so tap on the app and open the app, and once you have opened the app, you will be required to unlock the app. So enter your biometrics and then tap on the all option here. If you have saved your Google account password, then you will be able to view it right here. So simply go ahead and tap on the Google account password that you want to delete, and your Google account will open. You can then tap on the edit option on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for delete. So tap on the delete account option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete password, and with this, that particular Google account password will be deleted, which will also delete your Gmail password. So this was about how you can delete Gmail password on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.